I met Glen and Christine to look at this lot and talk about the home that they would like, and things rolled from there.
I wanted a fossil fuel-free home. I was an early adopter for an electric car, and once we had that, we saw all the benefits of that and thought, when we build a new house, we could do that same thing.
One of the first things we talked about on this lot was positioning the house to get as much solar gain as they could. It's important to have your house facing south if you want to use solar gain to your advantage.
In this case, the home came out of a controlled environment. It was built in a plant in modular components. And then they show up to the site on a trailer and a crane puts them together and then finish it up on site.
The exterior is a zip system plywood, which is a 4-inch tape that goes over all the seams, all the corners, so everything on the exterior gets zip taped so it's sealed and stops the air infiltration.
They utilized insulated concrete forms where they're expanded polystyrene blocks that are kind of fit together like Legos, and then they get filled with concrete.
The two side walls in the back are 2x6 construction, and the front wall is a 2x8.
Keeping the house tight or well insulated is an important piece of the energy efficiency of the house.
The air exchanger allows the house to breathe by drawing out the air in the home, and then it also brings in fresh air as well.
It contains an energy recapture, so it's not wasting the energy as it's exhausted.
We can actually produce some of our energy with the solar panels. We can store it with the battery and then use it at night. So it really helps reduce our carbon footprint.
The Greenoughs had electric vehicles, so their home incorporated electric vehicle charging stations that are now being charged with a system that's using on-site renewable power.
Everything is electric: the fireplace, the stove, the washer and dryer.
It's heated and cooled with ductless mini splits, an air source heat pump water heater. The appliances have a big part of that too.
We have some radiant floor heat in the breezeway and in their master bedroom, and then they have an electric fireplace to get heat out of if needed.
One of my favorite pieces of the house is the thermo drain. The drain water from the shower runs into the basement, and the intake for the hot water heater wraps around it, so the water is heated going into the hot water heater while you're taking a shower.
And there's no electricity, it's just working with gravity and drainage.
The HERS score is a home energy rating system. In this case, the home scored a 38. They added on-site renewables to the project, and it brought that HERS score down to a 7.
Christine and Glen were really great to work with. Some of the nicest people I've built for. It's been fun.
Chris of Black Dog Construction was amazing. He really listened to what we wanted. He really did a lot of grading and extra drainage work, so we have an extremely dry basement. And if he didn't know how to do it, he went out and figured out how to do it. I think one of the things that he brought to the table for us was putting foam insulation beneath the foundation.
I'm just proud of the whole project, I guess. I enjoy doing all the aspects of it.
The other thing that helped was the incentives.
Liberty and NH Saves utility partner gave us a generous incentive for all of the energy efficiencies that we have. I love this house so much. This is our dream home. This is our forever home. It's warm and welcoming, and it's beautiful.
You can make baby steps towards a brighter future. One home at a time, and one building at a time. We're building a cleaner environment, and that's important.
Some love. Let me see you talk about it.
We love our home.
We love our home.